Fruits. Apple. I eat an apple every morning. Banana. She loves eating a banana after lunch. Orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Grape. Grapes are sweet and delicious. Pineapple. Pineapple juice is refreshing in summer. Strawberry. I made a strawberry smoothie. Mango. Mangoes are very juicy in the summer. Peach. The peach was so sweet and juicy. Pear. Pears are great for making desserts. Watermelon. Watermelon is perfect for hot days. Cherry. I picked some fresh cherries from the tree. Lemon. I add lemon to my tea for extra flavor. Lime. Lime adds a sour taste to the dish. Coconut. Coconut water is very hydrating. Kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Papaya. Papaya helps with digestion. Plum. Plums are sweet and tart at the same time. Apricot. Apricots are often used in jam. Blueberry. Blueberries are full of antioxidants. Raspberry. I added raspberries to my yogurt. Blackberry. Blackberries are great in pies. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are packed with nutrients. Fig. Figs are sweet and chewy. Date. Dates are commonly eaten during Ramadan. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is sour and tangy. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has a unique appearance. Star fruit. Star fruit is a tropical fruit with a star shape. Tangerine. Tangerines are easy to peel and eat. Persimmon. Persimmons are sweet when fully ripe. Tamarind. Tamarind is used in many Asian dishes. Mulberry. Mulberries are used in jams and pies. Thanks for watching.